And welcome back to another video. This is CryptoKoinz, and in this video we'll be going over FANTOMWORLD. This is a phantom staking platform and it was just released, so we're still very early on to earn those awesome rewards. And in this video we'll go over the audit contract to see any red flags. We'll go over the contract to see how many tokens are staked. We'll go over the white papers to see what they have lined up for the future. And lastly, I'm going to stake 200 phantom tokens. But before we get started, make sure to come check out my channel and subscribe here. These are time-sensitive videos, so you want to make sure you don't miss any of these opportunities. There's been some successful launches here and I've released the videos very early on. Make sure you join the channel. Let's get back to FANTOMWORLD. At the top right, you have the invest, withdraw, referral buttons. This is a one-page website, so I'll just take you to other sections of this page. You have Telegram and Twitter, where you can join their community. They're very active. You can ask any questions and you can see their latest updates. I'm really digging the user interface. You can also see here very easily how much Phantom is staked in this project. At this moment, there's 153,000 Phantom staked. These are the rewards they paid out there and referrals and the current contract balance. Just the numbers you need to look when investing in these projects. Very convenient. I like the user interface. It's pretty sleek and I like the colors. The Phantom network is an extremely fast growing network and FTM is well priced itself with a lot of room to grow. Here's the audit contract white paper and here is to connect your wallet. We'll stake some Phantom in just a bit. And here are the plans. Very simple and straightforward. Here are the two different plans for you to stake your Phantom. They have a low risk plan here where you earn 7% daily for 30 days. And your total return there is 210%. You can withdraw every 24 hours. And this is a higher risk but higher reward. It's also a 30-day plan. You will get 14% per day. That's a 420% return on your tokens, and you can withdraw after 30 days. Here you can withdraw your rewards every 24 hours. Here you can withdraw your rewards every 30 days. Now do note, there is a sunk cost. When you invest in these projects, you forfeit your investment. So whatever amount of Phantom you put in here, you immediately lose that investment. But with these high yield rewards, you'll easily recoup your investment and those nice profits. We'll go over the risks once we go over the audit contract. Let's keep on scrolling down. They have a referral program. They have a 5-tier system here, and these are the percentage you'll earn for referring investors to come and stake their Phantom. 5 different levels. You earn 5% for level 1, 3% for level 2, 1.5% for level 3, 0.5% for level 4, and 0.5% for level 5. So there you go. And in order to get this referral link, you need to stake in one of their 2 plans. Let's keep scrolling. Here is the user dashboard. Here it shows your total invested tokens, your total withdraw, and total reinvested. You could reinvest those gains. What is FANTOMWORLD? FANTOMWORLD is a brand new project brought to the Phantom network. Its initial launch will be a ROI dApp, giving investors the opportunity to grow their portfolios by staking their FTM to earn ROI throughout the course of 30 days. Any ROI dApp comes with high risk. However, its earning potential for investors is extremely great. FANTOMWORLD is designed for investors who want to lower their risk but still earn great rewards. We offer 2 risk levels, which will be explained below. And we already went over those 2 plans. I'll talk about the risk when I do my staking. How does FANTOMWORLD work? A minimum investment of 0.1 FTM is required. And if we go to CoinGecko, we just type in here 0.1. That's 11 cents. That's practically gas fees. So you can get started with just 11 cents. Minimum withdraw is 0.05 Phantom. So pretty much any plan, you'll be able to withdraw very easily. No maximum investment limit. Invest whatever you would like over 0.1 FTM. Daily ROI from 7% to 14%. Limited to 30 days. 10% owner's fee on every investment and 5% on every reinvestment. 5-level referral system with a total of 10.5% given between all 5 tiers. And lastly, here on their site, they do have a lottery system. This is just to earn extra rewards very easily. Unique is the aim of our game. FANTOMWORLD has a lottery system. This is how it works. You'll be given a ticket upon investing. One ticket equals 0.1 FTM investment, which is the minimum. The lottery is given out every 12 hours or every 100 participants. One wallet will be chosen to win the rewards. The number could be very high, and we know we will see some big wins given the community. And in about 2 hours, they're going to give that lottery reward there to one lucky winner. And the current lottery is right now about 30 Phantom. They've already had 7 runs of lottery. Let's go to the audit. Their contract was audited by Hayes Crypto, and they only have one high issue, high medium severity. So let's see what the contract says. The system used is called ROI and must be considered as high risk. Users' principal deposits cannot be withdrawn. I already went over that. Users can get dividends and referral commission. Dividends are paid from deposits of other users. Do always invest with proper knowledge and investigation. The FANTOMWORLD smart contract provides the opportunity to invest any amount in FTM from 0.1 FTM in the contract and get a 210 to 420% return on investment in 30 days if the contract balance has enough funds for payment. All dividends are calculated at the amount of request and available for withdrawal once a day and end of the plan. Each subsequent deposit is kept separately in the contract to maintain the payment amount for each deposit. And here are some percentages: 10% investment, 5% reinvestment fees there. And here are their investment plans. They only have 2. Total returns, 210, 420, 7%, 14%. They're both 30 days. You can withdraw once a day. And this one at the end of the plan. We already went over the minimums. Users can withdraw or reinvest only once a day. On each withdrawal, 25% of the dividends will be reinvested automatically and 75% to the user. Users will receive a 25% reinvest bonus on investing dividends. That's pretty huge. They're incentivizing you to reinvest those dividends and you'll get extra bonuses. So on the withdrawal, they tax you 25%, but they reinvest that automatically. And when you reinvest, you get that 25%. That's pretty cool. Unlimited number of deposits and reinvestment can be done. This is for the first plan where you can withdraw daily. So when you do withdraw, there is a high tax there, but that gets reinvested automatically. And this is for the sustainability of the project. For the second plan, users can withdraw at the end of the plan. The maximum number of deposits is 100. So you can make multiple deposits there, no more than 100 per wallet. And here is the referral system. We already went over the referrals. There is a note here, owner privileges. The owner has the privilege of starting and stopping new deposit. Just make a note of that. Lottery. The lottery system has a pool and each round one user will win it. The ticket price is 0.1 FTM. 0.5% of each deposit will be sent to the lottery pot. Each round duration is 12 hours or 100 users participate. The winner reward is 100% of the lottery pool. There we go. Nice. No taxes there. You get the whole amount. And I like this additional incentive here. I haven't seen any other project do this extra lottery. I think that's pretty cool. So let's conclude this contract. The FANTOMWORLD smart contract were found no vulnerabilities, no backdoors, and no scan scripts. The code was tested with compatible compilers and simulated manually reviewed for all commonly known and specific vulnerabilities. So FANTOMWORLD smart contract is safe for use on the Phantom main network. Let's go to their contract address. They currently have 122,929 Phantom stake there, and the current value is about $147,000 there. FANTOMWORLD Whitepaper, I like their graphics. Here it talks about the reward system and the 30 days. Basically everything I already explained. And here it shows how it works. We know that it's 0.1 FTM, minimum investment. Minimum withdrawal is 0.05. No maximum investment limit. Invest whatever you'd like over 0.1 FTM. The daily returns, the terms. 10% owner's fee on every investment, 5% on every reinvest. Choose to compound daily with a 25% reinvestment, 25% reinvestment on withdrawal. Anti-well feature. There is a 25% tax there that gets reinvested for that anti-well feature to sustain the project. And 5 levels of referrals. Let's go over how the withdrawal works in specific. Daily withdrawals for all users in this plan. Considerable growth with less risk. Lock 14% plan, greater risk. Earn 14% a day for 30 days with a withdrawal on the 30th day of your investment. Option to compound 25% of your gains each day. You see, I didn't know this. I just read this for the first time. That's pretty cool. So if you are in the lock plan, you can compound 25% of those rewards each day. That's pretty awesome. This has been designed to create longevity to the project whilst offering sustainable ROI to all investors. And we already went over the lottery. Here is their roadmap. Q2, towards the middle of Q2, we will be releasing our Phantom World metaverse project. So they're working on a metaverse project, bringing land ownership to the Phantom blockchain. With only 100,000 plots, so they're creating actual land. Of land being minted ever, we will be airdropping 50,000 of those to the community. This will be given out on the basis of deposit size in the smart contract. For example, whoever has deposited the most into the Phantom 1 smart contract will receive the first and rarest plot of land. It continues until all 50,000 pieces of land are distributed between investors. For Q3, 40,000 plots will be allocated towards a public sale, which will commence in Q3. The minting price will be announced closer to the time. The access will be open to everyone. Q4, alpha testing for all land owners. Come explore your land, test our building mechanics, and create your own world or explore your friends. So now I know why the graphics are pretty cool. They're creating a metaverse there. The last 10,000 plots of land will be used as follows. 2,500 plots, Phantom World Center, a hub for everyone to come for larger events where we will bring your favorite musicians, comedy acts, and performance from the real world right to our metaverse. So it looks like they're gonna do something similar to Sandbox there. I would like to see some concepts there. That's awesome. 7,500 plots dedicated to public parks, iconic wonders of the Phantom World for you to explore and adventure with your friends. And that was the end of the roadmap. So they're building a pretty well-rounded ecosystem there in the Phantom network. How can you invest? So let's go over how you can invest. If you go to their white papers here, it shows you the information to add the Phantom network into your MetaMask. So here is information on page 7. I'll show you where to put this. So let's go back to the site and stake. This is the first time I do it. So let's do this together. I'm going to connect my wallet, MetaMask. Yes, going to connect there. My wallet is now successfully connected. And if you don't have the Phantom network in your wallet, you come up here to your MetaMask. You go to add network. You come here and that's where you put that information from the white papers to add the Phantom network. You don't have to add the token to your wallet. Once you add the network, the token will be added. I personally buy Phantom from Binance US or KuCoin. And make sure that once you buy it, you send it to your MetaMask wallet through the Phantom network. You have to select Phantom as the network blockchain when you send it to your wallet. Once you get set up with your MetaMask and you buy Phantom and you send it to your wallet, then you can get started. And now I'm going to explain the risk here. The reason why this one is lower risk, it's because you'll be able to withdraw daily rewards to recoup your investment. This one's higher risk because in order for these staking projects to function, you always need new investors coming in here to be able to sustain the project. We already saw in the contract, there's plenty of funds there. There's still plenty of runway. And this was just launched a few days ago. This is why I feel confident and why I'm sharing this project at this moment. I'm going 200 here, 200 FTM tokens. In about 15 to 20 days, I would have recouped my investment on this lower risk plan, just so that I make sure that I'm able to pull some money here with some peace of mind. So let's go 200 here. I'm gonna stake this. Here we go. Confirm. And there we go. That was successfully invested. If we scroll down, I'm assuming here on the dashboard, yes, I'm correct. It shows how much FTM you're invested, how much you withdrawn, and how much you have reinvested. So I've already earned 0.0006 FTM there. And I cannot withdraw this until another 24 hours. And there you have it. That's how you invest and stake in the app. And as always, do your own research, The only risk I see in these projects is if there isn't enough tokens to reward those investors. This project has a little bit higher fees than I normally seen, the withdrawal fees, which can equal to the longevity of the project. And that's how you get involved. That's going to do it for this video. These are high risk projects. This one's fairly new, so I feel comfortable staking 200 FTM there, no problem. If you found this content of any value, make sure to hit the like and subscribe buttons down below. That's going to do it for this one. Thank you very much, and I'll catch you guys on the next one.